Guys, hi guys. Well, I will make a video of drawing this bird, and it says some numbers. You see the colors in there. I will show them. And this those numbers. You see these numbers and the colors. That numbers it will be in the bird. I will follow the instruction it says. I will follow the same numbers it says in the bird, and I will color the same number as a number, like one and one. I will color one as purple, like that. I will get started in that video. Go. I'm going now. And also I want to say I had almost mistakes like right now. And don't judge me because I work so hard. And I'm like 8 years old still. 8 years old. And I already done more drawings. It look me so good. I make a pirate ship and emoji. The cool emoji. Down. And I already by my own right now. Okay, now I'm going with twos. And you wanna open this app? Over in the end, I will tell you what's the name of this app you wanna play. There's a lot of themes to make, and it's so fun to do. I didn't even learn. I just like it. I just put it and just play it because it has to copy the same numbers. So I get starting. Okay. You see that part? Just ignore it. I'm sorry. I don't mean to do that because it went wrong because of I don't know what happened and the number changed. Yep. Number change. Where's another one? No more, right? You tell me in the comments if you see another one because I don't see nothing. Oh, there he is. Oh gosh, that's it. Now threes. Look. Now Paul Pat. Oh my gosh, my bad. And I was showing the gray means it's showing popping. Where's the numbers? Yep. You like my? Do you liking our bird? Tell me in the comments. Say yes or no in the comments, please. And say hashtag cool or you like this video. Oh no, I'm sorry guys. And it's cut. I don't know. I think we will finish. Say hashtag finish. We're gonna finish. Please choose. I wanna finish. Oh my guys. To you guys to see everything. If not, it's up to like 1. I will cut the video and see you next time. But not yet. Not yet. Guys, you see this number? Told me because I'm super blind. You know, okay. Oh my gosh, where is they? Oh, there he is. Found it. No force. Right here. Right there. I'm trying the best I can to make this all video at once. I don't know how to do not make part 2. I just want to finish it off. It looks like it's gonna take a lot of time, but you see, I will hurry up. I know the noise, but just let it go. And there you go, guys. You see? Looks nice, right? I'm trying to make a disguise, but nah, it wasn't right. Let me erase it. If you like this video, make sure to like the subscribe button and make sure to put a like and tell me in the comments you like the bird. I will show you now what I make. And I will show you the video where how many take out hard right here. You see, there. See all the video. That take me a long time. And my hands hurt. I was now gonna show you just a bit. When that finished, I will show you a bit about how I made it. You see? Nice. Let me upload it. And we'll see you. Oh yeah, I forget. I will still show you. You see, there's a both. You like the video? Tell me you like it. Those know down with the poop emoji and that vote. Tomorrow can I make another one? I will see you guys later. Bye.